Reza asks, can you elaborate on your lead generation platform? Okay, so we did answer this a little bit in the beginning. If you wouldn't mind, Jody, just quick rehash. Are the leads mostly Google ads or social media, squeeze, or organic? A quick answer is all of the above, but what is it about them that make them different than some of the traditional PPC?
Yeah, I think definitely all of the above is a good answer, but I will say that we use very little social media. I think that certainly has its place in the world, but for us, some of the other things we do, we think are a little more high quality, and we don't need to tap into the social media very often. Sometimes we do. It's a big client with really high volume lead demand in a smaller area, but most often it's organic. So we've been at this for a while, so we really know the traffic game and how to get folks coming to our pages. We definitely use a lot of Google. We've got some other proprietary partnerships in the space that have high quality real estate traffic that they push over to us. And I think we talked a good bit about what that experience is once they get over to us. So hope that addresses it.
Yeah, absolutely it does. Remember that their lead registration process is a long form, kind of intensive, very specific, what are you looking for style questionnaire sheet. It's not your traditional land on a property results page, click on an individual property and then name, email, phone number. That's not the way theirs works. So that's very different in the sense that this requires a little more labor on the side of the lead, which one would naturally assume is going to increase that quality. And then that furthermore, they're vetted through the ISA program. So guys, this is not, if your takeaway from this is Google PPC, then you have not been paying attention.